Lastly, with our geometric sequences, we're given the following example. In a geometric sequence, the third term is 90 and the sixth term is negative 2430. So I'm just going to write that to the side just to organize my work a little bit. So again, we're kind of given two pieces of information here, and we're asked to find the common ratio. So this is similar to our arithmetic series or arithmetic sequences question, where we're given two values of the sequence, but they're not consecutive to each other. So I'm going to do just like I did with arithmetic sequences. I'm going to draw some spaces out to represent what I have here. So here's my third term, which is 90. Here's t of 4, here's t of 5, and then I'm given t of 6, which is negative 2430. So just like arithmetic sequences, I'm going to count, well, how many common ratios do I need to multiply to get from here to here? And remember, we're not adding a common ratio, we are multiplying these values. So this would not equal 3 r's, this would equal r times r times r, which is essentially r cubed. Okay, and because we're multiplying, we don't want to find the difference between these values, like we did in arithmetic sequences. We want to figure out what this value is if we were to divide them. So we don't want to take the difference, but we want to divide these values. So I'm going to divide those values, and I get a value of negative 27. So now I'm going to take the cube root of negative 27 to find my r value. So my r value ends up to be a negative 3. So my common ratio ends up to be a negative 3. Question B lists the first three terms of the sequence. Well, let's start with our third term here at 90. This would be our fourth term. I want to go the other way to find the second term and the first term. Well, if I were to go in this direction, I would be multiplying by a negative 3, which is negative 270. So if I want to go the previous direction, I'm going to divide by negative 3. So this would be a negative 30. Divide by negative 3 again would be a positive 10. So my first three terms of the sequence would be 10, negative 30, and 90.